Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Samsung Galaxy Watch data with Galaxy Wearable, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Samsung Galaxy Watch data using the Galaxy Wearable app, start by ensuring your old watch is charged and turned on. Next, open the Galaxy Wearable app on your smartphone. If you haven't already, download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is open, tap on Start the Journey if this is your first time using it. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your old Samsung Galaxy Watch. Select your watch from the list of available devices and follow the pairing instructions. You may need to confirm a Bluetooth pairing request to establish a connection. Once connected, tap on Data Backup or Backup and Restore in the app menu. Select the data types you want to transfer to your new watch. Tap Backup to save this data to your smartphone. After the backup is complete, now turn on your new Samsung Galaxy Watch. Open the Galaxy Wearable app again on your phone. Choose Start the Journey to set up your new device. Select your new Galaxy Watch from the list of available devices. Follow the prompts to complete the pairing process. During setup, the app will prompt you to restore the backed up data from your old watch. Select the backup you created earlier and tap Restore. Wait for the data transfer to complete. This may take a few moments. Once the restoration is finished, the app will notify you. Your new Samsung Galaxy Watch is now set up with your previous data. You can explore the features and settings to personalize your experience. Enjoy your newly transferred data on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.